Hello everyone, I'm Struan from Izon Science, and today we're going to be unboxing an Automatic Fraction Collector version 2. The AFC is lightweight, with the entire package weighing less than 5 kilograms. Upon opening the box, we find the Quick Start Guide is sitting on top, and this contains all the info you need to set up your AFC. In the top pocket is the box of AFC column mounts. This contains a full set of column mounts to allow the AFC to be used with the QEV10, QEV2, QEV1, QEV original, and QEV single columns. Next is the power cable box, which contains a power cable which is suited to your specific region. For example, this one contains a Type I. It also contains a USB cable. This is only required when updating your AFC with new firmware versions. Remove the upper packaging, and we find the carousel cover. There is also a box of consumables. In the consumables box, there are some 2mm and 5mm tubes to get you started, along with a 15mm QEV reservoir, replacement nozzles, and a 10-gram calibration weight. Next is the carousel itself and the load plate. Once we remove the surrounding packaging, we can then lift out the AFC. Underneath, in the bottom of the packaging, is the power supply adapter box. Plug the power cable into the power supply adapter to complete the power supply for the AFC. To get started with the AFC V2, refer to the Quick Start Guide, user manual, and other resources at support.izon.com.